Keeping your mobile devices clean is an important part of hygiene. While it's recommended to check your manufacturer's website, here are a few easy tips from your friends at AT&T. Before getting started, wash your hands. We recommend warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. To get started, power off and unplug your device from any power sources, docking stations, or wired cables. And remove all accessories. Wipe your mobile device clean with a dry, soft cloth such as a microfiber. Now for cleaning. It's safe to use household disinfecting products and disinfecting wipes that contain 70% isopropyl alcohol. Do not use bleach or products containing bleach. Add the product to a soft cloth and blot any excess liquid. Gently wipe down the surface area of your device, carefully avoiding contact with microphones, speakers, ports, and any other openings where liquid can seep in. Once you're finished, allow your mobile device to dry completely before resuming use.